The Google Pixel 10 is just around the corner, and as the official launch date nears, leaks are starting to paint a clearer picture of what we can expect, especially when it comes to color options. A new report has revealed what might be the full set of shades for the base Pixel 10 model, and while there are some exciting new choices, one fan-favorite color might not be making a return this time. According to this leak, the Pixel 10 base model is expected to launch in four main colors: Obsidian, Indigo, Frost, and Limoncello. Let's start with Obsidian, a familiar name for longtime Pixel users. This classic black finish has been a part of the Pixel series for years, and it's staying on board with the Pixel 10. It's the safest choice for those who prefer a more traditional and timeless look. Now moving on to the new additions. First up is Limoncello. This shade has been rumored for quite a while and now seems closer to reality. Limoncello is a unique greenish-yellow color, bright, bold, and very different from anything we've seen before on Pixel phones. It's clearly designed to stand out, and if Google really wants the Pixel 10 to pop, this color could do the trick. Next is Indigo, which is being described as a darker version of Bay Blue, a color that debuted back on the Pixel 7. Indigo offers a deeper, cooler tone that may appeal to users who like something colorful, but still a bit toned down compared to brighter hues. Then we have Frost. This one is particularly interesting. It's a light blue shade with a soft purple undertone. It gives a calm and elegant vibe, likely to attract users who prefer softer, more subtle colors with a bit of personality. What's most surprising about this leak is the possible removal of porcelain, Google's signature white or off-white shade that's been part of many previous Pixel models. Its absence this time might be disappointing for fans who love that clean, minimalist look. But it also signals that Google is shifting away from its older style and trying to give the Pixel 10 lineup a more colorful, expressive identity. It's important to note that this leak only applies to the standard Pixel 10 model. As for the Pixel 10 Pro and other potential variants, there's still no confirmed word on their color options. However, earlier reports suggest that the Pro model might come in exclusive shades like Mojito and Licorice. These colors haven't been officially confirmed yet, but if true, they could add even more variety to Google's upcoming lineup. Beyond the colors, there's another layer to consider: storage options. Based on what's been reported so far, the base Pixel 10 may only be available with 128 GB of storage, while the Pixel 10 Pro could offer 256 GB or more. And here's where it gets a bit more complicated. Certain colors may only be available with specific storage tiers. So for example, if you like the look of Limoncello, it might only be available in one storage option, maybe the base 128 GB version. This could play a big role in how people decide which model to buy. If someone prefers a specific color, they might have to compromise on storage, or vice versa. Google seems to be experimenting not only with design, but also with how they bundle features and configurations. Another aspect worth mentioning is that the material used on each model might slightly affect how the colors appear in real life. Earlier leaks hinted that Google could use different finishes or coatings depending on the version, possibly matte, glossy, or satin textures. So even the same color might look a bit different between the regular and Pro versions of the Pixel 10. The official launch is expected on August 20th, which is just a few weeks away. That means we're likely to see even more leaks before the big reveal. But this early look at the color options already tells us a lot about the direction Google is heading with the Pixel 10: bolder shades, limited configurations, and the absence of a beloved classic like porcelain. All signs that Google is trying to shake things up with its next-gen flagship. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on every update leading up to the launch. Whether you're a longtime Pixel fan or thinking about switching, this year's Pixel 10 seems to be shaping up as one of the most stylish releases yet. Stay tuned for more updates and full coverage of the Pixel 10 reveal right here as we get closer to launch day.